Good evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It's Friday, March the 3rd. We are breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus Combo Series. It is a one box break, randomed up our 12 remaining box numbers. Number 19 is what we got. Did random team sales on your right. We have already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized everybody, gave y'all a chance to trade. It was just double checking chance there, making sure no last minute offers. Here we go. Pop pop of your seal. Let's see what we gonna get. Well, folks, going to be the Jason Voorhees spot there, guys, for the horror spots. Bam! Also going to be Minnesota, Adrian Peterson frame jersey, guys. Last but not least, Bad News Bears going to get the repeat, folks. Going to be the Voorhees, has the OK Authentics hologram on there. So these are actually sort of cool jerseys. Alright, who has horror? Looks like Joey. Joey Overland getting on track there. Alright, who is Minnesota? Well, Amanda. Like I said, Amanda, man, you guys may not hit a lot of stuff, but what you do hit, man, you guys hit some freaking quality. AP goes to Brown. Spot was B and B. Right, who had that? That goes to SD. Jason goes to Joey. Alright, guys, we're going to do our qualifier here. Very nice box for you there. It's the qualifier for the framed. Wild Thing at the end of the series. We got a 10. It's a qualifier for end of series giveaway. We pull out the winners, give a couple of people a chance to still walk away with something nice at the end of series there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry, 10 times. Almost clicked that again. Shit, sorry. Bam, well, gonna be Amanda making the most of her spots there, man. And Pat. Pat gonna at least get the qualifier there in that one. Alright, bam. So that's going to wrap up that one, folks. That is qualifiers 45 and 46. We got 11 boxes left in the series, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. 8 p.m. Central, Bob at 2 Pops Breaks. Y'all have a wonderful night.